أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الزاني لا ينكح إلا زانية أو مشركة والزانية لا ينكحها إلا زان أو مشرك وحرم ذلك على المؤمنين. الزاني لا ينكح إلا زانية أو مشركة والزانية لا ينكحها إلا زان أو مشرك وحرم ذلك على المؤمنين. आइए इंशाअल्लाह we will study the meaning of this ayat. First I will say in English. Azani, an adulterer. Azani, an adulterer. La, not. La yangihu, will not marry. Illa, but. Zaniyatan, an adulteress. Or mushrikatan, polytheist woman. Wazaniyatu, an adulteress, an adulter man, was woman, was adulteress. La yankihu, will not marry. Ha, la yankihuha, with her, to her or with her. La yankihu, will not marry with her. Illa zanin, but an adulterer. An adulterer will marry an adulterous woman, or mushrik, or a polytheist man, and also a adulterer only can marry with an adulteress or a polytheist woman like this. وحرم ذلك, it has been made prohibited على المؤمنين, on the believers can't to generally to marry with a mushrik, a polytheist woman, or like a polytheist woman also can't to marry with a polytheist man, or a adulterer or an adulteress like this. So you azani, adulterer, an adulterer. La yankihu, will not marry. Illa, but. Zaniyatan, an adulteress. Aw mushrikatan, a polytheist. Or mushrikatan, polytheist woman. Wazaniyatu, an adultery woman. La yankihuha, will not marry with her. La yankihu, will not marry her, to her, with her. Illa, but. Zanin, an adulterer. Or mushrikun, polytheist man. وحرم ذلك على المؤمنين, it has been made prohibited to the Muslims, to the believers. Okay. Now you can I will give the meaning in Hindi. Azani, व्यभिचारी. ला, नहीं. यनगिहु, शादी नहीं करेगा. इल्ला, प्रत्यु. जानियतन, ये व्यभिचारिणी को शादी करेगा. व्यभिचारिणी, नापाक मान, नापाक लड़का मान, नापाक लड़की को शादी कर सकते इस्लाम में. और मुशरिकतन और ये जो बहुदेववादी को कर सकते। वज़ानियतु ऐसा ही है नापाक लड़की ला यनकी हुआ उसको शादी नहीं करेगा इल्ला ज़ानिन नापाक लड़का बस, और मुशरिक नहीं तो पॉलिटिस्ट जो बहुदेववादी होते हैं वो करेगा। वहुर्रिम ज़ालिका ये तो हराम निषिद्ध किया हुआ है अलल मुमिनीन ईमान वालों पर। यही है ये इसका मीनिंग। बोलने का आयत का मीनिंग ऐसा ही है। देखिए आयत का मीनिंग ऐसा ही है। आयत का अर्थ यह है कि साधारणत कुकर्मी विवाह के लिए अपने ही जैसे की और आकर्षित होते हैं। अद व्यभिचारिणी व्यभिचारी ही से विवाह करने में रुचि रखती है। इसमें ईमान वालों को सतर्क किया गया है कि जिस प्रकार व्यभिचार महापाप है उसी प्रकार व्यभिचारियों के साथ विवाह संबंध स्थापित करना भी निषिद्ध है। What the meaning of in the ayat? The ayat saying of this verse is that generally evil doers are attracted towards their own kind for marriage. Therefore, an adulterous woman is interested in marrying only an adulterer. Yes. In this, the believers have been warned that just as adultery is a great sin, similarly establishing marital relation with adulterers is also prohibited. ये है इसका छोटा एक विशदीकरण। सो नाउ वी विल से द तजवीद अज़ानी कलिमत शमसिया ला नाफिया बोलते हैं। अज़ानी द वर्ड अज़ानी अशमसिया ला हर्फ नाफिया यंकिहु पढ़ना। You should recite yangihu with your nose instead of the nose, like this. Yangihu. You should delete the noon of on the noon. There is a noon, but there is you can't see the sukun because of that is deleted from here, and because by deleted you should be read this your inside of the nose like this. La yankihu. So we can say here ikhfa. There is 15 letters there. 15 letter. One of this letter is the kaf. Before we already studied, so should we understand what is the letters? All you can write down. Okay, so please, yankihu, the kaf is the ikhfa, the letter of ikhfa. So you should be, this is the when coming sukun or tanween, we should recite like this, la yankihu. So we say ikhfa, illa zaniyatan. You should see there आपको देख सकते हैं there is a this is the name of tanween, fathat tanween. This tanween is fatha. So what how they are written this letter, this fathat, see one and up one up it other one. So like this type of tanween when you are seeing, it means there is coming the 6 letters of idhar. Now here coming the first letter of idhar, al-hamzatu. So we also we can say this hamza hamzatul qatr. So you understand, we can hear the tajweed idhar like this two tanweens after one alif. one alif or some what say ilhar, the letters of ilhar. There is other 5 letters. I showed also this before you. So again you want, I can see show this one. This yes, I have this here. So please, you can see this 6 letter, this 6 letter, this alif and hams, this one, ha second one, third one ain, ha fourth, ghain, kha. This the 6 letters. So you should understand this is the ilhar. So when you are seeing like this of tanween, maybe it was, maybe it will come tanween kasra, tanween fatha, tanween lamma. Here tanween fatha. So we can say here ilhar. Okay. After that you see here mushrikatan. This tanween, this also tanween, fathatu tanween. So here fathatai tanween, fathat tanween. Okay, this also tanween, fathat tanween. So but they are written like this, one here and like this. So when you are seeing this of type tanween, it means you should read next letter with inside of your nose, like this. Musyrikatam wa, musyrikatam wa, musyrikatam wa. So when you are reading like this, you should not give on the wa, the shad. Also there is a one letter also, yeah. Yeah, this also we don't want to give shad. So we can say here musyrikatam wa. There is this, they are in Arabic, they are saying idgham, tajweed idgham bi gunna naqis. idgham bi gunna naqis. Okay. musyrikatam wazaniyatu. La yankihuha, yankihu ikhfa. Before we already here also, and anzalna ikhfa, too much we already studied. So we are going from here on the letter of ha. This mad also we are studied this mad also. This mad we can say mad al munfasil. Mad al munfasil staying or it creating with 2 letters. See here where the la yankihuha, the mad is on the alif, but this mad not in yankihuha in the word. This mad because of k, because of this hams, this aliful qatr, this qatr alif came here, therefore the mad came here. So this mad standing through 2 letter, one through letter. So 2 letter, this letter and this letter. So we can say this mad munfasil. Mad munfasil hukmuhu, and we can say jais. And in the tajweed jais, what we say, mad munfasil, you should lend the ayat alif like this. Yankihuha, this 2 time, yankihuha 4 time, yankihuha 5 time. So qasr, wasat, tul, we can say mad munfasil. Mad munfasil 2 time, 4 time, 5 time, jais. Okay. Illa zani. See, this is the ismu fa'il from zana. Ismu fa'il zana. Zana yazni, zanin. When without alif lam, you should be like writing this one, zanin or zaniyatin, like zaniyatan, zaniyatun, zaniyatin, kullu age. So zanin. why they are writing this tanween like this tanween kasratu tanween? Why they are writing here? When you are seeing this tanween, you should understand there will come from the 6 letters of idhar. Here also came which letter? Alif came. So we are here also we can say idhar. Okay, idhar. Aw musyrikun here we can there is you can see the jim. So it means jim you can waqf here. Al waqf jaisun. So we will stay there, we will waqf there mushrik. وحرم ذلك على المؤمنين. وحرم ذلك على المؤمنين. المؤمنين here we can say وقف عارض للسكون. وقف عارض للسكون. Okay, now I am giving you about some about the language. There is in this word there is two azani, and already I told you zani without alif zanin. Alif if you are seeing there alif, so only you can recite or you can read azani. Zana yazni, zinan zina, zaniyatun zawanin. Zaniyat for स्त्रीलिंग है, जानियतुन स्त्रीलिंग है. स्त्रीलिंग को क्या बोलते हैं? स्त्रीलिंग को सिंगुलर प्लूरल, और मुअन्नस को क्या बोलते हैं? अभी याद नहीं है मुअन्नस. तो इधर ये जानियत मुअन्नस है, ज़बानी उसका बहुवचन है, जानियत जमअहु ज़बानी. ओके, इसम मफ़ऊल मज़नी बिही. अल अम्रु मिन्हु इज़नी. ज़ना शख्स बिल मरअती फजर फ़ी अलाक़तिल जिन्स व अतल मरअत मिन गैरि अक़दिन शरईन. विदाउट द contact of शरअ, a man going to a woman and making sex. This is the word. Nakaha yankihu nikah, nakih wa mangu. Ismu fa'il for woman also naki or nakihat. It is two words. Okay. In harrama yuharrimu, tahrim muharrim, muharram. Mu'min yu'minu imanan wal maf'ul bihi mu'min. Okay, so please you try to study some from the this lesson. I thinking you can get something from this. Inshallah, we will study the next ayat next time. Jazakumullahu khairan jazilan. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.